Thanks for taking a minute to check out the new RFR Reference Series furniture rack. Our design intent with this rack was to combine the highest level aesthetics with great integration features for quick installs. We've accomplished that through this new wide body design, and as you can see, it allows for air intake in the front, and let me open the nice glass front door, and we'll show the internal structural steel bracing along with the bolt-through casters that will go over thresholds for many years to come. Now let me spin it really quickly to show you the integration features that our wide body design allows. Wide body allows for our optional lever lock plates, which are great for mounting devices such as media converters and other boxes to the side. We've also done an internal scoop in the rear, which allows for an umbilical cable to go out and not get pinched by the rear door. So this rack is available in 3 new finishes: ebony, teak, and cherry, in 3 sizes: 16 rack units, 20 and 24 space. The new RFR Series reference furniture rack from Mid-Atlantic.